Hey guys, today I'm going to be trying this blow dryer from BaByliss. This is interesting because this has a Ferrari designed engine. So it's supposed to be super powerful and give you quick blowouts. So let's try it. This is called the BaBylissPRO Volare. So this brings a little bag. It also brings two nozzles, I believe. So this is the first one. This is the other nozzle. So you get two. This one's smaller. This one's a little bit longer. I'm definitely using this one. This blow dryer comes in two different colors. It comes in this bright red and also the black. They didn't have the black, so I had to go with the red, and it's not my favorite color, okay? It's just a little bit like too much. It's not my style. It doesn't matter. I just would have preferred the black, but it is what it is. As long as it's good, that's all that matters, right? So this has 6 different heat settings and speeds all combined. And so this right here is not a cool shot. It might look like one, but it's not. It's a turbo shot. This reminds me of when I used to play Mario Kart and I would just hit the turbo button for that extra speed and power. That's what this is reminding me of. So this is gonna give you instant boost. So we're gonna try that out today as well. And look, it literally has the Ferrari logo right here. Crazy. What are we getting into? I am scared. If you guys want me to try out that new GHD flat iron dryer type of hair tool that just came out, let me know in the comments down below. It is expensive, but if you guys want me to buy it and try it out, I will do it for you guys. But you guys need to comment down below. It's $400. It's $400. It's almost as much as the Dyson AIRWRAP and the Dyson SUPERSONIC. So yeah, it's pretty pricey. This one was $200, which is still expensive, but it's a little bit better than $400. I'm really thinking about that GHD one. If I really want to buy it, I feel like I'm not gonna love it, but I don't know. I might end up just buying it just to try it, and who knows, maybe I will love it. Okay, so I'm gonna do this section right here. I'm gonna use this big round brush that I'm actually really liking lately. It really is so good. It smooths out my hair super well. This is from Olivia Garden, and I got it from Amazon. Highest heat setting, highest speed. I'm scared, but we're gonna go for it. Section. It looks good, looks pretty smooth for the most part. The turbo shot is very strong, but I don't feel like this blow dryer gives me the same amount of shine that the Dyson SUPERSONIC does. I just want to grab my Dyson SUPERSONIC real quick and do one section on this side, because last time I used the Dyson, I was very impressed with the shine that I got. The Dyson is also a lot smaller, so I feel like it is a little bit easier to move around and stuff, and they're about the same weight. The Dyson is not that much lighter than this one, but yeah, this one is very big. I'm sorry, this is not a Dyson versus BaByliss Pro comparison video, but you guys always ask me in the comments which one's better, this one or this one, and etc. So yeah, I just always try to do a little bit of a comparison. So I'm going to do this big section with the Dyson SUPERSONIC, and let's see how that looks. Alright guys, so here's the Dyson section. I feel like it looks a little bit shinier, and it just looks like more smooth, more healthy. And then this is the BaByliss section. It looks smooth, and I do get some shine, but I don't know, I just feel like the Dyson looks a little bit healthier. Like this side looks a little bit healthier than this side. It could just be my hair. Maybe this side is healthier than this side. But yeah, I'm just going to keep doing all my hair with the BaByliss, and I'll be right back with the final look and my thoughts. Alright guys, I am done doing all my hair, and I just gotta say, I thought I wasn't going to like this blow dryer that much. This is why I like doing all my hair and then giving my honest thoughts, my final thoughts after I do all my hair, because I love the final look. I love the final look, and look how smooth my hair looks. I have no waves with just a blowout. What the heck? Look at this side too. It looks so smooth, and I have so much shine, guys. I have not added an oil yet. I'm gonna add the Olaplex oil in a little bit, but so far I have not added anything to my hair. So yeah, it looks very, very shiny. I do have to say that the Ceremonia products are amazing for that, for shine. So definitely check them out. I really, really like them. But this blow dryer also gave me a ton of shine. So yeah, love it. So this is a blowout that I did with the Dyson Supersonic, and then this is the blowout that I did today. Let me know which one you guys like better. I feel like the Dyson gave me just a little tiny bit more of shine. I feel like my hair looks healthier when I use the Dyson. But I also did really like this BaByliss one. It is incredible, and for half the price, I mean, it's really, really nice. I also really like this thin nozzle from the Dyson Supersonic. I feel like this one is way better than the whiter one that I used to use all the time. This one gives me a way smoother blowout, like way smoother. So really recommend trying this one. I know it can be a little bit intimidating because it really burns your scalp if you don't know how to use it. So yeah, but I really, really like this one. But guys, this BaByliss one is very, very nice. It really is super powerful, and I feel like it gets too hot. I feel like it gets way too hot. I know that my hair can take it, but I know that there's other people that have very fine hair that might really, really not like this blow dryer at all. Like, I feel like people will hate it. You either hate it or you love it, and it depends on how thick your hair is and how much you can handle, because this one gets so hot. It's like if I'm in a Dominican beauty salon. It really feels like I'm in a Dominican beauty salon doing my hair, getting that smooth and nice blowout, you know what I mean? But you're burning. So yeah, definitely keep that in mind. I really like it. It got so hot that I didn't even need to use that turbo shot or whatever, so I didn't even touch that, and I'm glad I didn't, because that's way too hot. That turbo shot thing is like too much. It gets way too hot. But some people like that, and if you just want to use it on the ends just to give your ends a little bit more of shape and a little bit more of shine, then definitely try that. I'm going to add a little tiny bit of the Olaplex number 7 Bonding Oil, just a little tiny bit, literally like that much, just a little tiny bit, because I just always like finishing my blowouts with just a little bit of oil, not too much. But I feel like I don't need it that much, but a little bit of oil can never hurt, just a little tiny bit. I always sweat so much when I do my blowouts, so don't mind me. But guys, I love this blow dryer. It is so strong, and I think it is worth every single penny. But it gets so hot, so really guys, if you have fine hair, you will not like this. You're gonna hate it. You're actually gonna hate it because it gets so hot. It actually gets way hotter than the Dyson. I thought the Dyson got a little bit hotter, like it was more powerful, and it is, but it feels somehow a little bit more gentle than this BaByliss one. This one just feels super hot. Anyways guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you want a side-by-side comparison of these two hair tools, the Dyson and the BaByliss, let me know in the comments down below. I can totally do that. I feel like I need to do a couple of side-by-side comparisons, so stay tuned. Those are coming very soon. But yeah guys, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye bye.